Hey guys, Tony from Quinsanity here. Got to hook up this GFI. Let's hook up the wires the right way. There is a line and load, so let's not mix them up. But always make sure the power's off before you start. Alright, see you in a minute.
Alright guys, on our Gfci we have a line and we have a load. So your incoming power, basically maybe coming from your breaker or another outlet that's constant on, will always go to the line side. So anything that's constantly hot, always line side. Load side will be a receptacle or things of that nature, basically, that are downstream. So load will go to a downstream item, and this device will protect anything downstream from it. So after you connect the Gfci and it does not work, only a couple things that you need to check. One is it could be a bad GFI right out of the box. I've had that happen to me. It could be connected wrong. You might have the line and the load wires mixed, and that would make it not work properly. Or there's just no power coming from the breaker or the source going into the line. So, I mean, maybe you didn't turn the breaker on. But that should take care of you. You should be able to connect and do what you need to do. Alright, thanks for watching and stay tuned.